Hello, it's almost fall, everyone. That means it's time to plan when to decorate for the fall and what to decorate with. There are numerous pleasant fall decorating ideas for every area of the home, both inside and out. However, if you want farmhouse fall decorating ideas, you have come to the correct place. We've found a dozen wonderful ideas with plenty of homey country charm that are both simple and economical. Build a seasonal tablescape. A pleasant and attractive dining table can be put up at any time, not only during the holidays. Begin by placing a plaid tablecloth diagonally. Mixing multiple plaid patterns creates a relaxed, informal look. For a festive touch, use pumpkins or autumn leaves as centerpieces. Finally, complete the look with warm-toned napkins and dishware. Update your entryway. Add seasonal decor to your entryway to make it feel more welcoming. Place a warm blanket or mat to encourage people to take off their shoes. Velvet pumpkins and huge acorns add an autumnal feel. Consider adding warm lighting to increase the comfort. It's the ideal approach to greet everybody who enters your home. Hang an autumn wreath with a handcrafted fall wreath. You can bring the spirit of the season right to your front door. Cornstalks can be utilized to create a design that is both natural and festive. In order to add even more allure, you can use colorful leaves, pumpkins, or berries. You could even use huge cornstalk stems to frame the door if you wanted to. The ambiance of autumn can be easily created using this method. Cozy up your porch. Make the most of the fall weather by changing your porch into a place where you can calm down and rest. Prepare a seating space by furnishing it with plush pillows and a warm blanket. Even though the weather can drop, these accessories will ensure that you remain comfortable. Use lanterns or cushions with a fall theme to make the atmosphere more festive. In the fall, your porch will transform into a cozy sanctuary. Make an inviting mantel during the winter months. Your fireplace will serve as the focal point of your home. Therefore, you should make the mantel a focal point. A fresh autumn impression can be achieved by decorating with a combination of greenery and white pumpkins. Candles and lanterns are two ways to bring warmth. Your fireplace will become the center point of the room due to the addition of a garland of pine cones or leaves, which is the finishing touch. Repurpose throw blankets. Why not find a new use for the plaid throws you already have if you have more than one? Creating a seasonal pillow can be accomplished by wrapping a throw blanket around a cushion. Make use of your nightstand to display a variety of other items, such as candles or miniature pumpkins. A comfortable fall atmosphere may be created in any area with only this one easy touch. Create a cozy reading nook. Designing a cozy reading nook is an excellent way to celebrate the fall season. Begin with a comfortable chair or soft beanbag, then add cozy accessories like warm throw blankets and soft cushions in autumnal hues like burnt orange, mustard yellow, and deep brown. Place a tiny side table near your chair to keep your favorite books or a warm cup of tea. Add a soft, low lamp to set the tone for a relaxing evening. To complete the homey atmosphere, add some seasonal decor, such as tiny pumpkins or fragrant candles. This will transform a corner of your space into the ideal place to rest on chilly autumn days. Neutralize your kitchen. You don't have to go overboard with kitchen decorations because they must remain useful. Decorate with candles. Nothing says fall quite like a warm, flickering glow from candles. Candles not only offer warmth to a place but also a sense of coziness and seasonal charm. Choose fall-scented candles such as cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or apple cider to fill your home with cozy aromas. Arrange them in groups on your coffee table, mantel, or windowsills to create visual interest. Mason jars or vintage candle holders can help to create a rustic atmosphere. If you're concerned about fire safety, choose flameless LED candles, which have the same glow as actual candles but pose no risk. The soft light and pleasant aroma will help create the ideal autumn atmosphere in any area. Add artwork with a fall theme. A simple way to add a winter touch to your home is to replace your regular art with pieces that fit the season. Look for art that has fall colors, leaves, or cozy themes like cabins or woods. Prints or framed drawings that show off the beauty of fall can be hung on your walls. Make your own fall-themed art, like watercolor leaves or autumn scenery, for a more personal touch. You could also frame pressed leaves or put together an art wall with pieces that are inspired by nature. Adding this simple change to your home decor will make it feel like fall and bring the outdoor spirit inside. Using the warmth and simplicity of the season to make your home look cozy in the fall is key. Small things like plaid throws, candles, and fall wreaths can make your home feel more like a cozy haven. They can be used to decorate your table for the season or turn your porch into a place to relax. Don't forget to add neutral fall touches to your kitchen and personalize the space with art that is inspired by fall. With these simple and low-cost ideas, you can make the inside and outside of your home look like a fall. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.